Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to upscale and repurpose a Dollar Tree planter and silver bowl that can serve multiple purposes around the house. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. Need a medium-sized planter like this one. Dollar Tree sells this in two different colors, and the one I have chosen is the silver version. We will also be using one of these plates which comes in a 4-pack. We will also need the frame from one of these round mirrors, some mirror tiles, one round frameless mirror like this one, some round gem stickers, some diamond wrap like this which I bought in bulk from Amazon, and some glitter. We will also need 4 of these large clear diamond-shaped acrylic gems plus 3 of these smaller ones. We will also need 7 silver ornament caps. These ones were removed from some old Christmas ornaments. And as an extra design element for our project, we are also going to use one of these beautiful silver bangles. For our second project, we are going to jazz up this trio bowl. To help us with today's project, we will need some Mod Podge, some Fix-All, and our handy dandy hot glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. We are going to begin by embellishing the dollar store planter with a few rows of these mini mirror tiles. We will place the rows of mirror tiles all along the rim of the planter. These mini mirror tiles are in sticker format, so no glue is required. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once you get to the end, you may have a small gap where the mini mirror tiles will no longer fit due to the curve of the planter. To fix this, we will apply a strip of beautiful rhinestone ribbon. And to even things off, we will apply a similar strip exactly 180 degrees on the other side of the planter as well. Next, detach the frame from the round mirror and apply some hot glue to the bottom edge of the frame. Then place it into the planter, ensuring it is not lopsided when placed inside. When placed correctly, it should sit nicely just inside the planter. This step is optional though, but adds a clean finish to the inside of the planter. It will also serve a functional purpose I will show you shortly. For now, we are going to take one of the round plates and turn it upside down. We will apply a generous coat of Mod Podge and then sprinkle a layer of silver glitter all over the surface of the plate where there is Mod Podge. Once the first layer is applied, wait about 30 minutes for it to dry before going in with a second coat. You can repeat for a third time as necessary until you are satisfied with the glitter coverage. Next, take the small round mirror, turn it upside down, and using an X-Acto knife, carefully remove the felt pads off the back of the mirror. Then apply some Fix-All and some hot glue to the back of the mirror before placing it to the center of the back side of the plate where the glitter was applied. If you want some additional time to set the mirror, you can skip the hot glue, but be careful as the Fix-All will take longer to cure. Now we can start embellishing the back side of the plate some more. Here I am applying a row of round gem stickers in black to the rim of the plate. Even though these gems come in sticker format, I am reinforcing the adhesion with tiny dollops of hot glue. Then I go in again, this time with some black diamond wrap to create a frame around the mirror. Due to the round shape of the mirror, I will be cutting slits about every inch or so in the strip of diamond wrap to allow it to curve with the shape of the mirror. Since I use hot glue in this process, I'm going to go in with a dry brush to remove as much of the hot glue strings that got left behind. Next, take a silver ornament cap and using a good pair of scissors, carefully snip off the end so you're left with a flat surface. Then rotate it to the side that has the opening and apply some hot glue inside the hole. Next, insert the pointy end of one of the large acrylic gems. Once the glue has dried, apply more hot glue to the end of the ornament cap and then set it onto the center of the mirror that we placed onto the plate. For an extra design detail, we will also place a silver bangle onto the mirror. Double check that everything is secure. Then continue to cut off the ends of 3 more ornament caps and repeat the steps to insert the pointy end of each large acrylic gem into each of the ornament caps. And here you can see how similar our homemade doorknob looks compared to the one I purchased. Even though the one I purchased came to about $1 a piece, our homemade version cost only pennies a piece. These knobs will become legs for our planter container. Turn the planter upside down and apply a dollop of hot glue to the ends of each leg, and then adhere each in a triangular positioning. And here's a close-up of the planter with the legs on the bottom. I think one of the legs may be crooked, but I can fix that up very easily. And here's the planter with our homemade lid, which you will see sits perfectly on top of the planter because of the frame we inserted inside. I have no idea what I will use this bucket for, but I'm sure it's very versatile. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. For our next piece, we will embellish this square silver trio bowl by applying a row of gem stickers around the top rim. We will also make similar legs as we did before for the planter container, but for these legs we will use smaller sized acrylic gems. The way we are embellishing this trio bowl, it will make it a perfect match for our planter container. And here's the final look for our upscale dollar store planter. And right beside it is our perfectly matched trio bowls with a very similar design. I'm looking for ideas of what to use the bucket and trio bowls for. Please comment down below with your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.